So we're inside our newest listing, and this is a great room plan, a 3-bedroom, 3-bath, just under 2,500 square feet. Comes turnkey, which means all you gotta do is bring your toothbrush. We got everything you need here. Plus $10,000 appliance package allowance, brand new. You can pick out whatever you want, or you can use the elite white package that we've already got picked out for you that'll look amazing here. So we're outside on the rear lanai, which is huge. And this is where you're gonna spend all your time. You've got a great pool, you got a spa, plus you got a nice water view, has lots of wildlife. There's always ducks that come in, seasonal. And this is just a great place to hang out and have your morning coffee. So we're here at Gate 1, and Gate 1 in Cape Harbour is my favorite place because you can walk to all the amenities. I can walk to the gym, clubhouse, pool, fitness center, plus the marina, the 5 restaurants, and all the amenities that Cape Harbour has.